Hey guys, so you might have seen a video we made recently showing some farmers doing some gardening for the benefit of the community. It's another example of that. It's a different location, different group of guys, but the same thing. So in their free time they come to this intersection, which is just an intersection in the middle of the rice fields, and they come here and maintain this garden fairly regularly. It's always neat and tidy. They plant flowers all year round. Put quite a lot of effort into it. The little statue there you'll see as we get closer. But it's a real little delight. We travel through this intersection fairly regularly, and it's always interesting to see different flowers there, different colours. So it's obviously winter at the moment and pretty cold, but they've still managed to keep some flowers going in there and keep it nice and neat and tidy. It's cool, isn't it? Anyway, there was that. More videos coming soon.